So over here, you can see that I got these video footages right here, and I got a script for it as well. So what you can actually also do is go ahead and generate out voiceovers that you can use right here. So to do that, over here, you can see that I already have a script. So you can go ahead and choose to click one particular scene right here and click on generate the voiceover, let's say, for example, and simply go ahead and choose a particular narrator right here, like an educator or a teacher right here, as you can see. Click on select, or go ahead and press the play button to hear a preview.
Eat healthy and eat well.
So that is what you have. You can go ahead now and insert it into the timeline. And what happens is that you get this out right here as an audio clip. So now if I were to press the play button, it plays out, and as it reads as over here,
eat healthy and eat well.
That is what you have, as you can see. So you can also go ahead onto script, and if you have multiple script right here, you can simply choose to generate all voiceovers as well, and then go ahead and, let's say, for example, select another voice.
The voice you select makes a difference in how...
So that is what you have. So I'm just going to select motivator and select it, and then click on update all voiceovers because I want to replace the existing voiceover as well. So once I go ahead and do that, it simply goes ahead and adds in multiple voiceovers right here as separate audio files. So if I were to press the play button now,
eat foods which are delicious and healthy.
And that is what you have, as you can see, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and add in AI narration from scripts inside of Google Vids. So I hope you found this video useful. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.